Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change your BMO pin at an ATM. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change your BMO pin at an ATM, first what you need to do is simply go to a BMO FDA and then make sure you are at the BMO ATM and your card may not work at other banks' ATM for pin changes. Bring the card for which you want to change the pin. The next is to insert your debit or credit card into the ATM and enter your current PIN. Then on the ATM screen, select change PIN or PIN services. Then choose the card you want to update. If multiple cards are linked, then enter a new 4-digit PIN, avoid obvious numbers, and re-enter the new PIN to confirm and wait for the ATM to process the change. The ATM will usually print a confirmation receipt. Then next is to remove your card and start using your new PIN immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.